YouTubers, welcome to Project DIY. I'm Stephen Doudna, the creator of Project DIY. I have been a do-it-yourselfer for as long as I can remember. My mom said as a little boy I used to always be fixing things or trying to fix things and just taking things apart just to see how they worked. Sometimes they worked when I got them back together and sometimes they didn't, she said. But anyway, I've learned a lot along the way. I'm not a professional and I do leave those things that require a professional's expertise up to the professionals. But for the most part, I love doing things myself. And for the past 10 years or so, I've been buying houses, rehabbing them, and some of them I've kept as rentals. Rentals require constant upkeep, repairs, and maintenance. So I've got a lot of experience doing that as well over the years. That being said, I have found YouTube to be a valuable source of information and inspiration in a lot of the DIY projects I've taken on. And I've decided, excuse me, just to start taking along my camera and recording what I do and create my own channel so that I can give back and do my part in some small way. I sincerely hope that it inspires you and motivates you to get out there and do it yourself. Remember, guys, as Red Green always said, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. So, all you wannabe handymen and handy women and woodworkers and do-it-yourselfers, subscribe to my channel and we'll all do it together. Thanks for watching.